What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I wanted to give you guys an update on my work vehicle, so let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in. First of all, check out that new magnet. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, got some new hats as well. Let's start with the office, the front seat. So just got a couple levels here, some knee pads, going to pick up my dog, so got her bowl and food ready. Let's start here. I do keep my extension cord reel right there, and this is just kind of like a catch-all pouch. So I got some gloves and like a spare pliers, pens, pencils, that kind of thing. I use this for plumbing and battery storage. I just picked up this this 4 amp hour M12 battery. I got all my DeWalt batteries, a light, some plumbing tools, and more plumbing tools and material. Let's see if we can show you the inside of here. That's just a sneak peek. That's like my concrete drill bits, oscillating saw, jigsaw blades. Jigsaw is also in there. I do keep a hat right here, kind of in the way. These are all kits. So I got electrical, mounting, and all my screws, deck screws, drywall screws, that kind of thing. Moving to the back, this is like all stuff I don't use very often. Spare stuff. I got some wire, some wood for cleats, a little bit of small drywall for patches, you know, clamps, spare bits, a roller, coat hanger for fishing some wire, water shut off, all kinds of stuff. And then I put my my vacuum right there. Here it's all like PPE. Got gloves, goggles, filters for my respirator. My respirator's inside right now because I'm putting in some new filters. All different kinds of gloves. I got these wipes from Costco. Things are amazing. All different kinds of tapes, some other like, you know, wood glue, zip ties, Loctite. What else? Got a little sponge, sanding sponge, thing full of wire nuts. Those are all like extra wire nuts. I don't really use those. And then in here, let's see if we can take a peek. It's a little hard. That's like my angle grinder, circular saw, all that kind of stuff. Keep some straps, tie down straps there. Check this puppy out. I got the Sigmund laser level. You guys jealous? That goes right there. Got my portable charging station that I just made. That goes there. What do we got in here? This is just like different painting supplies, miscellaneous tools, scrapers, Cat 6 crimpers, different caulkings and staples, all different kinds of like different coax staples, Cat 6 connectors. Got chisel, saws, blades, battery testers, calipers, bolt cutters, just you name it, I got it. These are all screws, drill bits. Got the bag here, and what do we got? We got the brad nail and the pin nailer here. This is all like cleaning supplies, trash bags, sponges, that kind of thing. And then these are different screws, washers, nuts, that kind of stuff there. I did want to give you guys a peek over here because this has changed yet again. But I do keep my pouch right there. I got my Klein open top. Got to keep some tape up there. I'll have to do like another full review, but just so you guys could have a little sneak peek. Got my my sockets in here. That is pretty much it. It's nice and tight. It's very hard to make room for stuff, so I am working on getting a van. That's a work in progress. So anyway, that's where I'm at for 2026. If you guys have questions, please put them in the comments. If you liked today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.